Welcome back. Let's now take a look at what's making headlines in the world of business. Now, institutions of higher learning should go beyond traditional instruction and become catalysts for real-world readiness by strengthening linkages within the agricultural value chain. This was the central message during the Agricultural Industrial Linkage Workshop, where the Elgon Kenya Managing Director, Dr. Bimal Kantaria, highlighted the need for students to be prepared not just to graduate, but to lead.
As agriculture rapidly evolves in response to technology and shifting market demands, educational institutions are being urged to equip learners with more than just theoretical knowledge. An Agricultural Industrial Linkage Workshop held at the University of Nairobi's Upper Kabete campus is the latest forum to spotlight the widening gap between the academia and the agriculture value chain, with speakers calling for practical reforms to bridge it.
We need to look at the knowledge that we are training our young people, and this needs to be the soft skills to a very large extent. Then we impart them with the skills.
Because we can't use the knowledge of the 1980s to train a 21st century graduate that is ready to take up their positions in the sector that is actually the backbone of the economy, and that is agriculture.
Encourage government to look a bit more forward into changing curriculum to be more dynamic and to involve the private sector where they can in curriculum development. The private sector knows what's happening in the real world. If they can allow us to contribute a little bit to the development of what's happening in the curriculum, we can add value to that space as well.
Despite advances in agricultural science and policy, many graduates still struggle to secure jobs, a gap that Elgon Kenya's Managing Director Dr. Bimal Kantaria says could be effectively addressed through incubation centers for practical pathways to shift to job creators.
What we're trying to establish at CATIC is to give them life skills, give them more practical information. So private companies like Elgon Kenya, my company, Astral Aerial, are bringing the latest technology into academia to explain to the children, teach the children what is happening in the real world right now.
In response, the Kantaria Agricultural Technology and Innovation Centre has been established at the University of Nairobi's Upper Kabete campus to equip students with hands-on skills, entrepreneurship training and practical exposure to modern agricultural technologies. As the country looks to modernize its agriculture and close the bridge between theory and practice, students, industry leaders and policymakers agree on one thing, that there is an urgent need to explore practical solutions that align academic training with real-world industry demands. Trevor Ngendo for Easy Friday at the UoN Kabete campus, Nairobi.